Ka Office Joint Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District haka Bhoi tarik ubnai Januari 2024 Kaleshim benta Bandrakhe yak jingda basan postnem jong Jylla ha District Library hanongpo. Hashwapan sedang yak ne program haka por khatway beje menstep la penlong shwai yak jingi page online yak program jong Jylla kabala penlong hanong ba shalong.
So is the story.
Srimati Indira Gandhi, erstwhile Chief Minister William Son A. Sangma, Governor B.K. Nehru, Professor G.G. Swell, and other dignitaries stood on stage to address the thousands that had gathered in this ground. 50 years ago, Meghalaya became the 21st state of the Indian Union. Under the slogan, "No Hill State, No Rest," the Hill State movement was fought through non-violent means. The perseverance of our visionary leaders and volunteers of the movement ensured the recognition and the preservation of our rich history, our culture and traditions, which not only do we hold dear, but which has also helped give direction and shape to the Meghalaya we know today. At this time, I would also like to pay homage to the different groups, organizations, and political parties who were instrumental in voicing the concerns of the people in those years. I pay homage to the Khasi National Darbar and its members, the Federation of Khasi States, the erstwhile EITU or East India Tribal Union, the erstwhile Garo National Conference, the Khasi Jaintia Federated States National Conference, the Hill State People's Democratic Party, and last but not the least, we salute the 1970s political party of All Party Hills Leaders Conference. As we step into the Golden Jubilee year of Meghalaya, and as we celebrate this milestone achievement, I take this opportunity to remind all of us that we live in a beautiful state, blessed with natural beauty and rich in resources, both natural and human. The 50th year's journey of our state has certainly been eventful. The state has recorded many achievements, be it in the field of industry, agriculture, health, tourism, education, and infrastructure. But there is so much more to do and so much more to achieve. Today, as we gather in this district grounds to celebrate 50th years of Meghalaya, I am pleased and honored to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, whose able leadership and guidance has helped give shape to the meaningful celebration of the Golden Jubilee year of our state, and with his vision, take the state forward here on. I also extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, my colleague MLAs, MDCs, and the senior government officers, led by the Honorable by the Chief Secretary, Srimati Rebecca B. Sushan.
Meghalaya, Alaya or a boat, and Megha, of the clouds, occupies a mountainous plateau of great scenic beauty. Meghalaya is the homeland of three ancient hill communities, the Khasis, the Garos, and the Jaintias. From the wettest city of the world to enchanting landscapes, Meghalaya is a mesmerizing place, an opportunity to maneuver between the clouds.
उनको भी मेरा प्रणाम। साथियों, मुझे अनेक बार मेघालय आने का सौभाग्य मिला। जब आपने मुझे पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर सेवा का अवसर दिया, तब मैं शिलोंग में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न काउंसिल मीट में हिस्सा लेने आया। 3-4 दशक के अंतराल के बाद एक प्रधानमंत्री का इस आयोजन में हिस्सा लेना, शिलोंग पहुंचना मेरे लिए अविस्मरणीय अनुभव था। मुझे खुशी है कि पिछले 50 साल में मेघालय के लोगों ने प्रकृति के पास होने की अपनी पहचान को मजबूत किया है। सुरीले झरनों को देखने के लिए, स्वच्छ और शांत वातावरण अनुभव करने के लिए, आपकी अनूठी परंपरा से जुड़ने के लिए देश दुनिया के लिए मेघालय आकर्षक स्थान बन रहा है।
Kumka jingburom yagi volunteer ke balai khun ban penio yagi Jylla ke Bapura lane ke Hill State. Kumka jingburom yagi volunteer ke balai khun ban penio yagi Jylla ke Bapura lane ke Hill State haki tukipor. La penku burom yagi volunteer ke banari Bhoi district ke bamenta ke lalong ki Reutemen jong district. Don na pedeng jong ki bala klatno. Bat don ru ki bala aban ke jing shitom. Henry ki bedangla abanwan ke laiwan ban ya pedang ngobha yagi ne ke jing penku burom. Laparu ya ke jing ai ngobha yagi bahyeng jong gitu ki bala klatno. Hakane ke juk sengi la yo ruban pelanya ke ka music video ke balai shimbenta da ki pulit na po Bhoi. Hakabai ke music video la pelai dai deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district ikong RM Kurba. Deputy Commissioner Jongari Bhoi District hagane kasi lala ru ban pli yau mau nong rim ubala bu jingken mau na kebentak jingla jong ko omsning CNR di blok banaya ke ying ki office trikam jong ki village organization ki bahap hapok omsning CNR di blok.
Meghalaya student from Musting block.
Yes.
50 numbers of view office.
Lovely.
Good to see. Congratulations.
So the SHG self-help group only.